store in Tesco. We got Plenish Immunity Shot. You get 7 out of here. How much is this, Hannah?
£6, Cameron.
£6 for 7 of those. How much is a normal one, Hannah?
£2, Cameron.
£2. Look, it's this much ginger, this much water. That's what you get in there. This absolutely terribly expensive. Doesn't do the job. Mainly water, highly processed. Yuck. I'm going to show you how to do it cheaply and more healthy. Excuse that. The first thing we need is that apple cider vinegar, proper apple cider vinegar. Where is it, Hannah? This is the one I'm looking for, yeah. All that goop and all the goop in it, that's called the mother, that's good bacteria. Good for your gut, that. Bacteria, probiotic, or prebiotic. But that's the one you want. All bits in, not this one.
No, mother.
Terrible.
It's an orphan.
It's the hard knock life for us.
Not good. Kills the turtles, that. We don't do that. We get some fresh lemons, fresh it. Ginger. Do we do this, Hannah?
We don't.
No, we don't. It kills the turtles. Proper ginger. Do we have to weigh this out?
We weigh it out at the thing. How much is it though per kilo?
Why do you think that's too much?
No?
Okay, actually, we'll leave that bit. Right, we're off to pay. The most challenging part is going to be the ginger. So we're going to tackle that first. Best way to peel ginger? With a spoon. Right, get yourself in here, Hannah. You know, some people go at it with one of these. It's not good. You just want a spoon, it gets in all these little ridges like that. Ridge, spoon. There you go, don't worry about a little bit of skin on it, it's just bacteria, good bacteria. You're gonna weigh it out. Whatever weight you've got, that's gonna be like, it depends how strong you want your ginger. You're basically mixing it with water. We've got 138, let's be honest, it's 140 grams. The minimum you want is the same weight in water. Does this make sense? That's 140. If I wanted strong juice, I'll do 140 millilitres. But you can do more water.
Yeah,
and have
if you don't want it, if you want to dilute it.
Which is what we're going to do, probably about double that. So. Right, now, you want to strain it off. That's going to be difficult. You don't want those little bits. It doesn't matter, but it's better if you can get it smooth. Or you parents should have some like muslin cloth about, or you cheesemongers will have cheesecloth, or you can use like a pair of knickers or a pair of boxers or an old t-shirt. Here's hack number 2 for you if you've got a bag like this. Leave that to strain, give it a squeeze if you're into that.
Like an udder?
Like an udder, yeah, just milk it. Like that, looks like a dangling scrotum. But
gorgeous.
So it gets easier from here. All you're going to do is you're going to mix the same amount with lemon. So plot whatever you've got in it. It's all equal parts now. You've got 100 millilitres of ginger juice. You're going to do 100 millilitres of lemon, 100 millilitres of apple cider. You've got 200, you're going to do 200 of each. And I can't think of a more simple way I can say this. So with your lemons, if you've got a Mexican elbow, use one of those. That's a citrus squeezer. If not, just put it on the side.
What do you do about pips?
Don't worry about pips because we'll just strain it again. Then you're going to grab your apple cider, vinegar, of course.
ACV.
You just got to top it up. We're going to give it a shake because we want that mother in there. We want all that good bacteria. Good for your gut. Great for your gut. Gut friendly. Prebiotic, probiotic. Any other buzzwords, Hannah? Great for stimulating weight loss. Great for settling the stomach after a big meal. And there you go, that right there is how you make your homemade... What?
I was dripping.
Oh. That right there is how you make your homemade health shot, ginger shot, without all the additives, without all the sweeteners.
Without the apple juice.
Without the apple juice, for some reason. There you go, cheers. Boop! Delicious. Fantastic.